What's up guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the NFC and contactless payments on your Android smartphone. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go ahead and open up my wallet first and just quickly show you for a moment that the NFC is not on. Right, so if I try to make a payment with any one of these cards, then it will not work because the NFC is currently turned off. Now, how do you do that? You want to do a swipe up and go to settings on your phone. If you're not able to find settings, when you swipe up, just simply use the search to type in settings and you will see it. From here, guys, you will see within the option here, NFC and contactless payment. So if it's off like this, it simply means that you need to toggle it on in order for you to use NFC and contactless payments. You can also tap on it, guys, and you can click on contactless payments and you'll be able to see if you're using Google Pay or the dual messenger. You will see which options you have available there. Of course, as you can see there at the top, it says payments. And if you tap on other, you'll be able to see other options that you have as well, right? So that's how you can go ahead and check these things. But that's all there is to it, guys. You can easily go ahead and turn on your NFC payments. Now, once I go back to my wallet and open it up, you will see that it is ready to use and I can easily tap on a card. And once I tap on the card, I'll be able to use it as it says hold to reader, and I'll be able to use this to make payments. Very easy and very simple.